What's up, guys? In this tutorial we will learn how to make these creative typography in Photoshop. Create new document. Copy these preset. Create. From adjustment layer, choose solid color. Keep white color. Select Type tool. I am using Bondschrift semi-light condensed font. Follow these specs from character. Type text. Using Move tool, align the text. From File, choose Place Embedded to select the image. Decrease opacity of image layer to align it accordingly. After aligning image, increase opacity to 100%. Right-click on image layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. Make copy of image layer using Ctrl+J. Select Magic Wand tool. Select Subject. If selection is not proper, use Quick Selection tool to select it. Select Layer Mask. Select Text Layer. Make a copy. Drag text layer to top. Keep fill 0%. From Layer Style, select Stroke. Follow Settings. Select Image Layer. From Layer Style, select Drop Shadow. Follow Settings. Select Solid Color Layer. Match color. And boom, we are done with it. Now it's your turn. Try it and let me know in comments.